Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of diets that leave you feeling like you've got a boot on your stomach? Do you dream of food that satisfies but doesn't send you running for the scales in terror? Well, get ready, because today's service is a masterclass in eating your fill without piling on the pounds. We're diving into the top foods that are your secret weapons for staying lean and mean. First up, we've got celery. Yeah, you heard me right, celery. Don't you dare turn your nose up at this crunchy wonder. It's practically all water, which means it fills you up faster than a starving chef in a pantry. We're talking seriously low calories here, folks. You can munch on these bad boys all day long and still have room for a proper meal. And let's not forget the crunch. We all love a good crunch, and celery delivers it like a boss. It's like nature's own potato chip, but without the guilt trip afterward. So, next time you're feeling peckish, ditch the crisps and grab a stalk of celery. Your waistline will thank you for it. Next on the menu, we've got kale, the king of greens. This leafy powerhouse is so packed with nutrients it's practically bursting at the seams. We're talking vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, you name it. Kale's got it in spades. And the best part? It's light as a feather on your calorie count. You can practically eat a whole forest of kale and still be in calorie deficit. So, ditch the limp lettuce and upgrade your salads with this nutritional powerhouse. And don't even get me started on kale chips. Baked, not fried, mind you. They're crispy, addictive, and won't leave you feeling like you need a nap afterward. Now we're moving on to the sweet stuff, berries. These little gems are bursting with flavor and fiber, which means they'll keep you feeling fuller for longer. And unlike those sugary treats that leave you crashing harder than a bad soufflé, berries provide a slow and steady release of energy. They're also packed with antioxidants, which are like little ninjas fighting off those nasty free radicals in your body. So, whether you're topping your yogurt, blending them into a smoothie, or just snacking on them straight from the punnet, make berries your go-to sweet treat. Next up, we've got cucumber, the king of cool. This refreshing vegetable is like a tall glass of water for your body, keeping you hydrated and feeling fresh. And just like celery, it's incredibly low in calories. You can practically swim in a pool of cucumbers and still maintain a lean physique. But don't think for a minute that cucumber is boring. It adds a lovely crunch to salads, a refreshing twist to water, and can even be used to make some killer low-calorie snacks. So, ditch the sugary drinks and reach for a cucumber instead. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. Now let's talk tomatoes, the juicy jewels of the vegetable world. These bad boys are not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. We're talking low in calories, high in nutrients, and packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's been linked to a healthy heart. Whether you're slicing them into salads, roasting them to perfection, or simmering them into a delicious sauce, tomatoes are a versatile ingredient that should be a staple in your kitchen. And don't even get me started on cherry tomatoes. These little bursts of flavor are like nature's candy, but without the sugar rush. Next up, we've got grapefruit, the zesty citrus fruit that's here to shake things up. This tangy delight is known for its weight loss properties, thanks to its ability to regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling fuller for longer. But grapefruit is more than just a diet food. It's packed with vitamins C and A, as well as antioxidants, making it a nutritional powerhouse. So, start your day with a grapefruit half or enjoy it as a refreshing snack. Just be sure to check with your doctor if you're on any medications, as grapefruit can interact with certain drugs. Now let's talk broccoli, the tree-like vegetable that's often misunderstood. This green powerhouse is packed with fiber, which is essential for a healthy gut and digestive system. Fiber also helps you feel fuller for longer, making it a valuable ally in your weight loss journey. But broccoli's benefits don't stop there. It's also a good source of vitamins C and K, as well as folate. So, whether you're steaming it, roasting it, or adding it to stir-fries, make sure to give broccoli a starring role in your diet. Next up, we've got spinach, Popeye's favorite superfood. This leafy green is incredibly low in calories but packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. We're talking vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, folate, and magnesium. Spinach is like the overachiever of the vegetable world, always striving to be the best. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it raw in salads, sauté it with garlic, blend it into smoothies, or even add it to your favorite pasta dishes. Now let's talk mushrooms, the meatless marvel of the culinary world. These fungi are incredibly low in calories and fat but bursting with umami flavor. They're also a good source of B vitamins, selenium, and potassium. Whether you're sautéing them with garlic and herbs, adding them to soups and stews, or grilling them to perfection, mushrooms are a delicious and satisfying way to add depth of flavor to your dishes without piling on the calories. So, next time you're looking for a meat-free alternative, reach for the mushrooms and prepare to be amazed. Finally, we have zucchini, the versatile veggie that's here to make your low-calorie dreams come true. This mild-flavored squash is incredibly low in calories and carbs, making it a great option for those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet. But don't let its low-calorie count fool you. Zucchini is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And the best part? Zucchini is incredibly versatile. You can spiralize it into noodles, grill it, stuff it, bake it, or even add it to smoothies. So, get creative in the kitchen and let zucchini be your secret weapon for creating delicious and guilt-free dishes. There you have it, you lot. A culinary arsenal of foods that will fill you up, fuel your body, and keep those cravings at bay. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be a punishment. It's about making smart choices and enjoying the abundance of delicious and nutritious foods that won't leave you feeling like you've got a food baby on board. So, go forth, experiment in the kitchen, and conquer your health goals, one delicious bite at a time. Like, share, subscribe and comment.